Mbekezeli Mbokazi was spotted with Big Zulu and Quality Viyela, guys, celebrating the MTN 8. In case you missed the video of TLP, Big Zulu and Quality Viyela, guys, celebrating the MTN 8, here's the video, guys. A lot of people commented on this post, guys, because they thought that this is Mbekezeli Mbokazi's downfall because of the alcohol that they saw on the table, guys. So people now think Mbokazi's performance will drop because of this. That was Mbekezeli Mbokazi celebrating with the Nkabi Records Nation owner, guys, and Quality Viyela, guys. So guys, I don't know what to take on this one. You can leave the comment and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.